Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 16 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to customize the camera control button. To customize camera control button on your smartphone, firstly let's go to Settings and Camera Settings. Now enter camera control. To select camera control function between single click, double click, camera adjustment, lock, focus and exposure, and accessibility. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.